Valentine's Day is coming in, and if you're still scrambling for hairstyle ideas to look cute as a peach, then I've got you covered. Hi guys, I'm Sanya, and today I'm going to show you easy and cute Valentine's Day hairstyles. Before I begin, make sure to subscribe to our Be Beautiful channel and ring the bell icon for further notifications. Okay, so first I'll start by applying a serum. My recent purchase has been the Tresemme Gloss Ultimate Serum. This is a multifunctional serum that moisturizes, nourishes, conditions and styles as well as protects. It's all of these things in one bottle. And you know what's the best part? It protects my hair from heat damage up to 230 degrees Celsius, which means you don't need to use additional heat protection either.
For the first hairstyle, leave 2 small strands of hair from the front. Take rest of the hair at the back and make a half ponytail. Then create a small gap in the center and flip the hair from inside out. Now go ahead and grab a claw clip. Lift the hair up and secure it at the bottom. Then just fan out the hair over the clip for a voluminous effect. And it's done! Sweet and simple, right? Now for the second hairstyle, use 2 fingers and grab a section of hair from the front and secure it with a hair tie. Now grab another section just below the first one and secure that too with a hair tie. Repeat the same step one more time. And then just grab the ponytail and back comb it to make it look fuller. For the third hairstyle, take a section of hair from the front side and secure it with a hair tie. Take one more section from the other side and secure that too. And the rest of the hair at the back, secure that with a hair tie as well. That way you should have 3 ponytails. Now take the left ponytail and flip it inwards. Repeat the same on the right side as well. Then put your fingers through the gap of the ponytail and pull in the middle ponytail through it. Now put your finger through the right ponytail and pull the other side of the ponytail through it. The end result will be a nice single low ponytail with a braided effect. To finish it off, just pull out the tendrils from the front and you're done.
A hairstyle can make or break a look. So make sure to try one of these easy and cute Valentine's Day hairstyles, as it will complement almost any outfit you choose to wear. Time for me to go, but make sure to like, share and subscribe to our Be Beautiful channel and ring the bell icon for further notifications. Bye!